Welcome to all of you. Today's topic is origami and paper craft, the Japanese art of paper folding, or in simple language, art of folding objects out of paper to create both two-dimensional and three-dimensional models of animals, people, and objects. For this we required colorful sheets, glue, cotton, paint, brushes, cardboard, decoration material is optional, and feather. In this first image, you must notice some water bomb, flower, again we have a flower, then star, again we have a butterfly, flower, bird, and again flower. So everything is explained step by step. You have to just take a square piece and try to fold it as instructions has already given here. This is the image of ninja star. So each and every step has shown here and even written how you have to fold the paper and give the shape of the ninja star. In this image, you must notice the shape of the heart, the design. Again, we have a flower, then aeroplane, then bird, and again we have a image of Santa Claus. So simple and cute images of animals and aeroplane have shown here step by step. In the first image, we have cube balloon, then we have a bird, then leaf, then we have a crab, a very colorful image of fish, cat, flower, and home. Paper craft. Here they have taken a paper plate, but you can take a circle instead of the paper plate and cut the triangle and give the shape of the fish with the semicircles. Another example of the paper craft that you have to take a circle and then fold it in the form of the semicircle, give a triangle design, cut it, and then your duckling is ready. Paper craft, you must notice here a head, then a bag, a cute joker, then we have octopus, then strawberry, and again we have the form of balloon, frog, and a very cute eye mask. In these images, you must notice the bookmarks, and mostly the bookmarks are in the form of the animals, birds, emoji, and is so cute and decorated with the eyes, nose, mouth to give the look of the animals, birds, emoji. Another images for the paper craft. Here you must be noticed the duck, the leaf paper craft, the cotton craft, and the frog, snake, and it looks amazing. Again, we have a paper craft here, eye mask, wall hanging, a cap, a bouquet, and a octopus. A simple craft has been shown here. You have to take a strips and roll that strips and paste on any object or drawing and try to give something unique. Again, we have more images for the paper craft. Fold it and paste googly eyes, or you can make the eyes yourself with the black paper and the white paper and paste on the faces. A simple paper craft has been shown here. You have to take colorful crepe paper and make balls from that and paste on any object or sketch which you have already drawn on your sheet. You can take kite paper instead of the crepe paper. If you don't have a crepe paper, if you have any kite, you just tear that kite and make small balls and paste on the sketch. You can decorate your pencil also, so you can make some design for your pencil, and here are so many examples for that. Try your name alphabet for your pencil and paste on the pencil. In these images, some paper craft is there and more design for your pencil. Beautiful lamp has been shown here and it is very easy to make. Try these lamp also. A bird is there, again octopus, a fish, and paper rings have been shown here. It's time to say please try these simple crafts and have fun with these crafts. Thank you.